This is my first facial. Raining cats and dogs. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Well, as most of you know, or if you guys have watched our joint channel, then you know Tom is back, so I'm happy. By the way, I know I did confuse some of you guys on the latest vlog about why Tom left, about his visa situation. So sorry about that. If you guys want to know the entire story of what really happened about his visa, then you can go over to his channel, Roaming Hogan. He explained it better than I did. So and also if you want to watch our airport meeting where Scarlett had a really hilarious reaction in the back while we're hugging each other, you could go to our joint channel, Tom and Meljean. By the way, today I am gonna be heading to the city because I need to do a pamper time. Yes, that's right, I haven't done it for such a long time. So I am going to take you guys with me. I do have a facial appointment and I'm still thinking if I should do my hair, but I also do my nails. So look at my nails, guys. It's so bad. This nails has been like this since Bangkok, so I badly need to do it. I'm not gonna put my makeup on, just doing a bit of skincare. This is my first facial, I think, for how many years, because yeah, pretty busy with everything that's going on. All right, so let's go to the city and do some pamper time with me. All right guys, I am all ready. This is my fit. A cute mini dress. I'm actually not gonna be driving Ruby today because I need to drive mom's car to the city. They had to do something with it, so I'll drop it off in mom's workplace and then I'll just get a grab going to my facial appointment, and then after that I'm gonna drive the car going back here. So hopefully they should be done once I'm done with all of my pamper time. All right, let's go. Tom is actually still sleeping. It's only 8. It's pretty early. Well, it's not early for the people here, but it's early for us. Even for me, it's very early for me because I normally wake up like 9 or 10, but I'm running a bit late, so come on guys, let's go. Hey guys, I am now off to my facial appointment. I have about 10 minutes. I love this elevator. It's got mirrors everywhere. Let's go. Here. Are heading home now. Sis is with me. Time check, it's 4 p.m. and it looks like it's already 8 because it is raining cats and dogs. Super hard. It's so hard to drive. My goodness. The rain is pretty heavy. We're almost home though, but hopefully it's not flooding. Hey guys, I think this is the next 2 days now. Scarlet Boo is here. Say hi.
Hi, good night.
How are you doing today?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, I think this scene right now is exactly the same as the last video. But anyway, Scarlett and I are gonna eat again yet another dragon fruit. Well, I'm gonna tell you what has been happening for the last few days. I have been super busy. Because I had to process mom's car registration, and there's also emission testing. I had to like process all of those. Mom is not very confident yet in like driving the car. So yeah, this is the next 2 days now. I was not able to continue vlogging because it was just super hectic, right? Okay, so do you wanna eat now?
Yes.
What is the name of this?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Okay, so by the way, I bought 2 windows. No, not windows. They are blinds, Korean blinds, and I'm gonna put it here in the 2 windows here in the kitchen. So I'm gonna show you guys how does it look. I just got it online, and I think it would look better if I'm gonna put blinds in the kitchen area and not curtains, because for curtains it's just not gonna be good since we had to, you know, open it and close it. It's better to have it roll up and down. Do you want to eat? Guys, let's eat another dragon fruit. Yes, actually some of you commented about if my knife is very sharp or if the dragon fruit is very soft. Yes, it is actually soft. At the same time, the knife is sharp. So let's eat. Is it yummy?
Nami.
You wanna give tatay? Tada!
Nami.
You wanna give tatay as well?
Nami.
So good. No. Cheers. Do you like your hair?
Yeah?
Who cut your hair? Dito to. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how does the kitchen looks like now. It actually does a big difference when you put something in the window, since I have really 2 big windows here in the kitchen. Papa and Atan actually installed this one, and this is how it looks. The color is medium brown,
Beige.
I believe, or beige. Is it beige? Okay, so this is how it looks. And if you guys would like to ask where did I purchase this, I purchased this online on TikTok. Imagine that. I didn't know TikTok has become an online shopping. And it actually looks nice. I was so surprised because the price is relatively affordable. It only cost me 600 pesos for one. And that's 10 US dollars. So I got two, as you guys can see. And it's easy to install. There is an instruction that comes with it. And you can roll this one up and down. So, like this. This is called Korean blinds, I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's very easy to like adjust it or roll it up and down. So I'm quite happy with it. I would say that the quality of this is actually really good. I was not expecting it at all. It is a bit thin, but I think that's okay. This is not blackout, as you guys can see. It's broad daylight and you could still see some sunshine coming in. But yeah, here is how it looks here on the other side. It actually looks really nice. I know you guys could see a difference between the size or the length of the window, because this one here is a bit up since the countertop, where the washing is here. And then here we decided, or I think the builder did a rookie mistake. This one is a bit down. So anyway, let me try to roll this one up for you guys. Ta-da! That's how it looks. We are going to try to see outside how would it look if you can see someone inside. Let's see here in the balcony area during daytime if we could actually see the inside. Look, ta-da! Well, I don't think you can see the inside during daytime since the window is black, but at night I think you can still see some shadow, but I think that's fine, right? At least when you go outside naked, or when you go to the toilet naked, then that's okay since you cannot be seen. We do have blinds finally. So yeah, there you go guys. I'm quite happy with my new blinds actually.